Nothing beats subscribing to the VYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
boys and girls, welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Okay, can I say what I think?
sure.
Personally, I feel like a man with ambition, a man who's always willing to learn, and a man ozaziyo yena ukuthi ufuna ukuyanga. It all goes back to the mental. A person, even not as a man, even as a person, as a woman, if your mentality is in the right direction, you are not poor. Why? Because you will always find a way around how to make things happen for you. Listen, if you get married for financial stability, as not that piggies, it is important. But if I get married to a man for money, what happens when that money shabalalas?
Yeah. Chapas.
Imali yangikhona ingaphela kuthi ukuthi engivele ngakungenela emtchadweni wangikhona kusela. So it means the marriage itself is over.
It's conditional foot.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's conditional. So I feel like first and foremost, I need to like you as a person.
Yeah.
So if I like you as a person, we can see how we maneuver around it. Because then it doesn't mean ukuthi if what I'm there for disappears or what I'm there for perishes, it's not my reason to leave. If I'm leaving because we've tried and we've failed. Not because what you have to offer, you can't offer anymore. You know?
That's special. That's special.
Wow.
Ngilombuzo.
Ukhona omkhulumelayo.
Nakya.
Avela wenza umuntu ekhuluma so thola ukuthi ukhona amkhulumelayo uthi umbone simiphe uzuthi ntheni. Azathi ngemanda uyibukele wangisuthi ngathini.
Wena ukhona athi umkhulumela lapho sithi awuzidlalela.
Khona. Nanya lo ngibona ngikhona podcast ukhona bengimkhulumele.
Also what to city outdated for
Oh serious.
Mana nje yazi ikhiphe yathi phuma waphuma mina ngisithi vela ngijolele ama jokes.
So awujola la ngesikhathi sangikhona awudlala.
Yabona kwakulo kuyipotential nyana yabona.
Kodwa awudlala.
What's papa?
No, inyoni vele yathi asakuboni chat. Yawa mina khokanthi sebepostile egroupini lami njani? Semposta phela senrepostani. Podcast yethu manje njani wabe sanjani waqeda kumbingelelani ngabe mphendula. Wabebona ivideo. Wasaphendula.
Siyahamba le inyoni. Ucheckani emuntwini before
akaqala.
Mina empini.
Sure.
Ngicela ukungani ngiyengezelela umbuzo wakho. What are your primary checklist items? Because I think okwemali is kind of secondary. From
Is
the
it
way she explained it.
Oh, it depends. Is it secondary for me or is it secondary for everyone else?
Right. Let's
It could be primary for someone else. But that was my perspective. Omunye umuntu sengafaka imali phambili.
Okay. But ngicela uzona ungajula la engelayo vele imali.
Yes.
you don't mind.
I don't mind.
Usungamncedisa.
Yeah.
Siqala from there.
Yes.
So now you prefer ukujula lo muntu or uthi selento zakhe already or prefer ukuthi liqale lonke from pants likhulisana.
Okay, so I'm the type of person who what you see is what you get. So I don't want to pretend around you. I don't want to have a version of you that you get because there's something that I want from you. And I don't want to have a version of me that I give to people that I'm real with. I want to be real with everyone that's in my life.
Yeah, anje lapho
Right?
ujolela into ekhona vele, into
Yes. So
eserious.
nxa kuyikuthi into ekhona ngcono uvela uhluba obekwazi ukuthi ngingumuntu onjani from the word go. So but uyabona nxa sengijolela ukuthi ule mali which means sengifuna ukuba ngumuntu wena omfunayo.
Okay.
I don't want to be that person.
So yengikho ngibuza ukuthi so wena lapho uprefer ukuthi umuntu wangikhona liqale lonke from pants.
Noma ngingakuthola but nxa kuyikuthi ngikuthandile ngikuthola that's a bonus.
Then ma engela then you don't
Then
mind.
I don't mind.
Liyakhula
Lakho
lonke.
futhi siyaqalela somewhere.
Okay, I hear you.
Okay.
Nakhuluma mama.
I like what you said, which I have to like you, right? For me, I think the way I'd put it is mele sibe ngabangane vele.
Yes.
Because love cannot sustain a relationship, unfortunately.
can't.
True.
There will be days when I
really don't like you.
Yeah, but because of our friendship, skim Sam, I won't leave you.
Bestie.
So, best,
Aye.
exactly.
Aye.
Vele umuntu. Yeah.
Jola ndaba best.
Acho mi ubest ngiyamele ngihamba kuye ngithi check
No,
these
no,
days
no, no.
lokhu uyampoa kubi.
Ubest sithi uyangicomfort.
Hayi ubest wami
That's the
ngazana.
second do better. But anyway,
Shoulder
yeah.
to put your legs on.
Friendship. Say primary, right? Friendship. And for me, one thing that I really take seriously is the faith aspect. And because when things get tough, I pray.
Wow.
So I really need
Amen.
to be with someone who esizazwisisana in that regard ukuthi asikhuleke kungabi ukuthi what for or lawe you're being too spiritual azwisise ukuthi umkhuleko really works, so umuntu omthandayo uNkulunkulu genuinely ayikhona ukuthi ngithini uhambe church ukamayisi register but you have a sincere love for God, for yourself and for your salvation. I think that's important to me. Umuntu ole vision, and by vision, like you said, I really like what you said ukuthi ulemcabango olayo, you've got ideas about your life kula lapho ufuna ukuya khona and you're working towards that. So I don't mind building from scratch ukuthi sakhe sonke, it's all good as long as sizasebenzisana.
Ismail singamongi lesi.
That means what you listen.
Yazama nkazana lawa yanyela.
Yeah. Which is like genuinely though, ukuthi I think you get to know umuntu. You get to
Child.
Amongi into engasalo.
I think you
Umongi overwhelmed izinto ezikhulunywa.
I think you get to test a person's patience when they have nothing, and you test their humility when they have everything. So I think it's critical to be in both stages of life. Then I guess that's how you'll see if you survive in the long term. So I want to see you you're in your lowest, and I also would love to build sibe successful sonke. And then what else? Sense of humor is key.
Oh yes.
Sense of humor is key.
Uchasisela ama jokes.
Yazi. Sense of humor sekela bro. Like it's
a
key.
joke.
Because laughter is the best medicine, even on hard days. Mina ngile dark humor.
And
futhi.
especially me too. Especially if I
so
can
many
send,
things
I don't have to
valid.
explain myself. Cabang ususendela umuntu joke and then they take it too seriously. My guy, it's a joke.
Yeah.
Why do you need to be so serious about it? Yeah. Humor, impilo nzima, guys. Every now and again, you need to laugh.
This is Zimbabwe.
Kunzima lapho.
Cabang usendela umuntu joke athi why are you never serious about life?
Ngani mu podcast.
Ivale mfana.
And
Ivale mfana.
Sense of humor. I think those are the basics.
Oh,
the
there's
primary
compatibility as well.
compatibility component is important. I like what this other man said. Ukuthi, you get to know a person by their faces. That's an acronym, right? F is for family background. Lapha vela khona. That's very important. A is for attitude towards life, how they view things, how they view different things. And C is for compatibility component. E is for experience, and all that. S is for skills, skill set. So all of
S
things
is for skills.
Yes, skill set is important.
Wait, skills.
As in your skill set.
Different skills.
Ngonujayeli.
Ngilitshelile ngoNatasha.
Ngonujayeli.
I'm a skills.
Okay.
They met.
So that's my
Ngiyafunda
primary.
la.
That's my primary.
Ngiyafunda lapha sibeni.
Hayi mina lama think namhla ngiyafunda because lapha ngilambona.
How?
Awula.
Mina ngifunani?
Funa imali.
Ngingabuza mina.
Namhloswe ngama guest.
Namhla ya,
Funa imali lama skills.
Hayi no bala vela mina guys into right.
Asiyala.
Right but akula luthenza.
Ngoba le mali la
So
right.
funani.
Hayi imali very right.
I have a question for you. People, there's this thing ukuthi mele umuntu wesimame achade sasemncane, right? At your age, so what do you think about that? Do you want to settle down early or ufuna ukushaya later, late 20s or into the 30s?
Ngifake njani? No, I'm in age yami yo 22 bengiqamba manga. I'm not 22. But abantu abaningi nge-age yami sebechada. Mina I do want to settle down and angifuni ukuthi ngize ngimdala.
By mdala, what age
What's
is
mdala to you?
mdala?
Mina umdala
Singas offend.
umdala wami 30
30.
because awungani wami laphana 26.
So thini ngami?
So like,
Njengo price.
2009.
Bribe.
Oh, yeah, wait, listen.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I'm saying, ukusekla ku right, but asikho ukuthi ukuchada lakho asikho ukuthi so wenilo lotwana. Bakhona abanye maybe abafuna uqala bephushe beziyakhe whatsoever. But for mina side lami, even ngayava uthiwa ngishadile kusasa. Ngiyakufuna khokha. Ngicina wangikhali njalo, please. Ngicini.
Imbuza nje uthi kusasa.
Hayi mina qiniswa ngisengikholisile lana. Ukuthi ukusekla caress ngawathiwa ngisekla hayi mina ngikholisile.
Piano lesani.
4 years less.
Sathi gonna.
No for real.
Uchade namhla kusasa vuke ngaflasha.
Guys come on.
Likwani umuntu nofana. Chayisani labo bunje.
From there anza lapha mina if ngikuthanda mina anza enjoy lo muntu engamthandiyo. Anza enjoy lo muntu engamthandiyo. Namanje lo ngiyabe ngikuthanda sibi like that. Uthi lama ngawathi angiyala angiyakuncenga she. La bakhona abalama messages ambhala umrwaba ngithi sorry yena kungiyochithile. I've been delulu that's why mangikhuluma ku podcast mabe khuluma ngemarriage ngikhohlala ngisiyale le mjolo. It's not that.
I'm sorry though.
Yabona bahlala vele bahlala benje. Yeah. I'm delulu guys yazi ngajola ngesilima.
But anyways, ngiyalizwa ukuthi lifunani. Into lezifunayo zivalid. Thibili ngiyalifisela ukuthi lizithole futhi.
Wena yakwanisa ukuprovide for igirlfriend yakho lana
semchadweni. Mina lakho ka racing rights ngakho.
Mase semchadweni ku right.
Angachati.
Wena lo phelele ilungiselela ukuchata. Wena ujolela ukuchata.
Ujolela ukuchata.
Exactly. So wena are you ready sibili ngwathiwa umchado nanko la mgcini.
Umchado imali sibili ngavuka ikhona sibili. Why not?
Already.
Kusasa. Actually today.
Mentally. No, not ngemali, all right, mentally, like mentally already.
Ngready mina che.
For real.
Ready.
Wena.
I'm not ready.
Yeah.
Like sibili mentally
Ama streets che. Ama streets achazi.
It's not about how I think ngiyesava. Ngiyafuna sibili ukuchat ngiyafisa ukuseklana. Into enhlala ngikhulile but at the same time ngiyesava.
Usabani?
Hayi madoda abantu bayajika phandle la.
Usithini wena? Ubusithi ama streets amnandi? Utheni wena? Ngikuzwile wena. Utheni? Ama streets kanjani?
Phela ngoba abasazikholisile lo right. Isikhathi sakhe.
Mina ngile question to you guys but I would also want to hear a response ka Nicole first.
lokho ngafuna ukubuya.
Oh, anyway, I say ansi i-call.
Okay.
Hayi yabe ngaphuza becosta that. Right. Ngizwile lonke likhulumile la describe the type of guy that you want, kumele abe njani.
Now describe the type of guy I want.
Lama ngimzwa.
Yabo?
But it's fine.
Yabo?
It's fine. But it's fine. Understand sisonke namuhla.
Yeah.
Siso.
So ladies, Tina, most of the time vele lapha sijona singama gents and lo mongi. Yabo, but most of the time sabe singama. So like they describe your ideal guy, kumele abe nje, this is what you prepare and when yourself, what are you doing to prepare yourself for that guy that you just described?
That's a good question. That is a very good question. Yeah.
Ngicela nisiqale ngomongi since besachisela so.
All right, and sengathi maybe sendithole uguy wangahambi out. Mina I'm an outgoing person, ngiyazihambela guys. Ma events la ngiyatholakala. But sengilo guy lapho kafuna ukuthi nge-out. I-dressing yami ebheka ayithandi. Nani. But lami uthi ezebona ukuthi like I'm willing ukuthi i-relationship yethu ibe kho wena isebenzani. So mele angikwazi ngizathi minimize uhamba out onyekele.
Ngiyakuzwa ukuthi but lapha ya describing izinto ezenza
lapho describe phela mina ukuthi anto lapho sengikhuluma no guy wamithi mele benjani.
Yes.
Lapho sengidescribe phela ukuthi mina njani uthi la ezembona ukuthi ngimuntu o right mele ibe njani.
No. Not
The
ukuthi
question
mele
is,
ube
what are you
njani.
doing now?
Right now.
To
prepare yourself.
Aye,
Be it mentally, physical or whatever.
Mentally, guys. Mentally ngikhulumile ukuthi I'm not ready ngisapha. Ngitshela iqiniso. But I want to say lokho ukuthi mase khona I can cook, I can do anything, but mentally I'm not prepared.
Also basically
I'm not ready.
Okay.
But I want to. So ngiyabe ngifuna umuntu engaba laye amfundise. Yabona, maybe sesingakhula sonke.
But vele, is anyone ever like 100% ready?
I feel like it's-
ready. Lena zazi into
Yazini nje.
anguzwile nokhuluma ngoba kumbe so
Lalela nini?
ukulalele phela. Lena laba boyithu ethekwini. No,
Ngiyakhuluma
ready guys saqambelana
Malini,
manga.
guys.
Into lezikhulumileyo zi-valid and zi-right. Mina personally
Yabona Mongi.
Awuphumi.
Asike ukuthi kumele kube on marks get set.
Ready go.
Wena ngokwakho
Eh.
indlela ophila ngayo, working on yourself, uvuka every day, maybe uhambe esikole, uhambe isebenza. Khona kuyana is getting ready. It's not like uBryce mayebuza ukuthi what are you doing wena? Ungahluzi fake ipressure lana ukuthi
ngikho ukuthi mentally mina angikwazi. Ngiyaphangisa ukudakeka ngomuntu ngilolaka vele kunzima ukuthi ngihlalisene. Nanko sesisonke uzavuna ucaphule kusazongithola ngokuthele ngempama ebusuku. So vele mina angikho ready.
Okay.
Okay.
I think ngifuna ukuyi bathini. Mana ngitshale lakho ecela sempamba sibala la ngikhona.
Okay.
Over to me.
Yes.
Over to you, dear.
I mean, into engayithi one. Mina guys, I'm working on my healing. So that when he gets
That's good,
here,
though.
when we finally decide we're getting married, we are not looking back on what has hurt me because that is not something that's supposed to affect us.
True.
I'm working on who I am as a person and how I look at life so that my past doesn't affect our future.
Ooh,
Amen.
that's beautiful.
And
That's beautiful. Yeah.
English ngiyithanda.
Yeah. That's beautiful.
Okay.
I echo your sentiments. Uguti, I think ngabuza this guy ochatileyo ukuthi what advice would you give to someone ongachatanga ofuna ukuchatwa besithi you can easily become your worst enemy emchatweni because yabona sasithi sikhula ama traumas.
Hi guys, man, hold on. Nxa sehliya ngapha thina singahleki ngapha sithini manje? Asizwe ukuthi likhuluma ngani?
asihlekeni phela sonke
Asihlekeni sonke phela.
ngiyeke phela.
Mina ngiyaxolisa. Bathi when you feel khuluma Bengifukhuluma ngelokhu ze nge-previous question leyana but hayi ngizayikhuluma
khuluma sis.
Anti laphana girl, our girl there besithi like imali njani. Mina personally I've once dated someone engela lutho but I loved him. Like athe sinye ngamcabanga maybe ngasamthanda futhi but ngasamthanda ukuthi but wayengela anything. I wouldn't mind like moving around like samba ngezinga Adam like a town. Nginga mind everything and so when you got like a job like a proper job karesumbe hey shit. Yeah.
I'm exposed.
I know you can go on, but ungamention ibizo la.
Waba le mali lisase relationship or after?
Sase relationship.
Okay.
And then things changed, you know? Things changed.
Wayesefuna amabed.
Mina sibed. I'm just a normal girl.
How you bed, man?
I'm just a normal girl. Sefuna amabed. Abachama 30-inch umbethayo iwini nalawana so mina vele mina personally like yes imali ngiyayifuna lothando ngiyalufuna konke ngiyakufuna
But experience yakho.
Experience yami.
Bari mina ngizabe isikhulumi sika Sathane. Amajita maslabo cherry yabo. Noma ungazuhlalela lami ngalamali. Ngiyabe mbona sometimes uthi la. Uhlezi but ngokuyi
mina I'm a hustler.
No,
I'm a hustler so mina I wouldn't mind.
Like lapha ngikhulumeli
imali ngiyifuna futhi emfaneni.
Lale.
All right. So, that being said, what are you doing to yourself ukuthi was prepare for that perfect guy ozabuye okay imali khona lothando lukhona I can do ABCD for you and I can love you perfect.
Ngingakakhohlwa mina ngiyakhohlwa.
So mina what do I have to do?
No, what are you doing currently?
What am I doing?
Yes. Ukuthi uziprepare wena. Asifunda phela.
Usacabanga ukuthi umgcina sitshela ukuthi yena ubefuthi.
Mina ngishapo mina.
Awula umuntu ongekho sharp. Akula umuntu ongekho sharp.
No, sharp.
Sonke sisharp.
But you know it depends ukuthi usharp njani. You can be sharp ukhatha. Sharp ukuthi right. So
you know kulo muntu wakhuluma isikhiwa wathi yena a woman's loyalty is tested when you have nothing and a man's loyalty is tested when he has everything.
Okay.
Indoda lemali ilama options.
Yeah.
Sesibona khona apha iloyalty.
Awula ama options ungalamali wena.
Awubona ama options.
Akulandoda efewa nje indoda engela mali.
Into ayikhulumayo babefake ipicture kaMfazi kaBarack Obama. Lo Barack Obama engakabi ngupresident. Lesikhathi sengupresident. The same way you say it yena le. But anyway.
Uthi somela ham.
Okay.
Amboni lutho ngale mina.
Asiboni lapha lighting le.
Yeah, she needs to leave.
But anyway, before
it's okay nje usirecord it's okay.
Lala nini? Engakahambi. Nguye ufaka umbono ukuthi umjide selemali watshintsha lani. Ngathi
watshintsha.
Watshintsha umjida. But ngingakhulumela umjida wakho to be specific. Para amanye amajida. Yabo lo cherry cheka noma ungalamali yabo. But ubonza ucherry lo sibili uhlezi para kakho fully lo. Like ukhona sibila but yabo sizwa lenkulumo zakhe sometimes ukuthi ngani uwenzela ifavor so.
Mina ngangingene ngeheart.
Hayi no,
ngene ngeheart
lalela. Ngithe ngikhulumela.
Sikhuluma ngokomtchado 2025. Wathiwa labuya lonke laba 2025. It's already 2026 now. It's 2025. Yeah. Kwakumele kube lo mtchado but then
so paper phela. Lalela. Sengikhulumelani.
Bese ngothi futhi Peppa Pig.
Hayi ngumsabatha mina simdlala Peppa Pig. Anyways.
Peppa Pig.
Umjida sometimes yabetshintshiswa izinto. Ngezinye izezinto ukuthi angeke ngikutshele wena ukuthi ngakunanzelela ukuthi wena wawungugumbo phakathi gumbo phansi
Ngeke
yabo.
ukwazi ukutshela.
Like angeke
Sasiku
ngikutshele.
long distance
Why?
relationship.
But uyabubona.
Wona ngeke ukwazi ukutshela.
Ha ngeke
So
ngikutshele.
uzangikhangela uthule. Maybe into yangikhona
ngcono-
ayisiyo into oyicabangelayo.
Ngcono uthi mina ngiyislima somfana wangichiye sele mali ukukuseva wena uyilokhu zenini.
So uzanishiya usule mali.
Yeah,
Ungcine
ngiyakutshela.
isikhathi leso ungelayo imali.
Angugcini wena nguwe yabuhlezi.
So yabona umuntu lo ulengile.
Ngiyabe ngawugcinanga ngiyabe ngibona wena lapho uzihlalele lapho ukuthi maybe nxa yabona.
What if maybe
Lokhu-
kebe
lokhu kungavu-
kungistress uthawula imali but lami ngiyabe ngifisa ukuthi one day uthola imali sihlale kube
Vele
mnandi.
ma ukustress ukuthi andinamali vele awumelanga ube khonapho.
No,
Why?
maybe-
Because as a man, are you
maybe
not
kena ku-
supposed to be a provider though?
No, I am trying my best, but in me trying my best, kukustress already ngakatholi lutho.
No,
Hamba. Like
into engizama
awuthi-
ukuyitsho maybe kuyangistress ukuthi I see uyazama but ukehlula
Angeke.
lami angikwanisi ukuncedisa.
Why ungakwanisi
Ngiyafisa
ukuncedisa?
ukuncedisa. Maybe lami ngiyasebenza ini ngithola imali encane. Sembona ukuthi njani awugayi wami lapho uyastruggle.
But
isifiso
guys
sami-
struggle ngonjani lina ngicanga ukubuza.
I think
Ngenye into I think komele si establish la
Esther.
because I don't think mina
Esther,
I don't think mina I'm a struggling guy.
ngingcina ukhuluma enye into because thina we might describe ukustruggle in a different
different
way.
way,
Lina
yeah.
likubone in a different
So ngeke
way.
ngizwe from Lina ukuthi umfana ostruggle ngonjani. But before sihambe emfaneni no struggle ubusithi kulomuntu lokuzi advise ngomchato.
Ngomshado.
Oh yes,
Eh.
ukuthi you can easily become even in a relationship. So personally, engikwenzayo in the meantime is yakhumbula our session ubuza ukuthi what's the biggest project you're working on, and I was like that's me.
Yeah.
So dealing with past traumas, really sibili digging deep ukuthi ama triggers kuyabuya into encane. So I'm trying my best ukuthi I don't bleed on someone who didn't cut me.
True.
I'm working on my relationship with God. Eqinisweni nxa ngingabali iBhayibheli guys, when I'm not praying, I easily become emotional, you know. But when I'm serviced spiritually, I'm able to discern, I'm able to make decisions from a wisdom's perspective.
Discern.
So
Hoa.
Chirungu. Yeah. So yeah, that's that.
Why?
The project you can when's your price. Ukuthi I'm my biggest project. Ukuthi I'm dealing with the traumas and I'm working on my relationship with God, and also I'm working on my skills. I'm right. Okay. Hey.
Wait,
Hold on. My skills.
Lapha you cooked yourself. Wedwa.
La right my skills.
No, yeah. Like I'm intentionally pursuing my dreams. Broadcaster, you know. Yeah, I love umsebenzi engiwenzayo. Ukuvuka ekseni, I'm actually an early bird.
Wow.
So, yeah, I'm actually an early bird.
Unubona phansi kwami.
Because I operate better ngama systems. So ekseni khona phana when I get it right, the day flows. But when the morning is chaotic, disaster.
Ngawuphuma.
Yeah. So I'm trying to work on my routine ukuze nxa sengisettled, nxa sokulabantwana, it's just a matter of adjusting. And no postpartum depression bazabuya, but at least lami phakathi ngani ngibangcono. So I think that's that. Yeah.
Shout out. But then umbuzo okade ulandele ususithi then Zimbabwean context. Mbani umuntu like what's a struggling guy? Nxa lisithi umjida wami ngiyambona iya struggle. Ngonjani o struggle?
Jake, usahlala ngini.
Ah.
Suchaya endaweni engasi. Awuqoni la usubalikazi.
Shots fired.
Homeless. Homeless.
So sibaningi struggle.
No nje unjida manje
In general nje.
At 30 plus years ufuna nguva.
Hayi so nxa uphilo 30 ke.
Ufuna nguvakatshele nga.
so thoso
Ngini?
siyabuka.
So kumele sicatshele umamazala.
Ungene maselele.
So kumele ngingene ngifohla. So kumele sivule igate sinyenya.
Azithule ziyawazi.
Sebethintekile.
Lapha lapho trapeze ningi la.
Abantu balama
Ngeke
experience.
Angitsho ukuthi ngithini but you get to a certain age and certain things shouldn't be a norm. Right? So because what's going to make you grow if you can't grow on your own? Because I can't be the one to tell you, Bri, it's time to move out. Because why aren't you thinking about that on your own?
Yeah.
so kumele kube yimi engufundisa ukuthi sokuyisikhathi sokubhadala irent. Sokuyisikhathi sokuthenga ama groceries. So kumele ngikucela ukuthi bebhangela data ngiconzendele data. No, I need to ukuthi ngiyayifuna, but I'm saying on days when I'm struggling, I'm expecting you to be a support system. No, but you can't do that if you're struggling to get out of ngini. Because now ngini, which means you're in your comfort zone.
Devil's advocate. What if ungibo because he has to also take care of his family in the meantime?
I take care of my family and angihlala ekhaya.
Okay. All right.
I'm sorry.
But our situations are different. Yeah. No, I hear you though. You can continue.
No,
All right, so you're saying-
right actually ukuthi ufune khona because
Already?
So you're saying ukuthi kungcono ahlale ku one room than ku 6 bedroom
Ngibo ngisho njalo kahle kahle.
Awufuna ubone ukuthi nxa uphuma phantshela umamazala sethanyela.
Yayixoxa.
Hey. Kwase ngakhuluma esinye story.
awumela ngobahlanganisa.
Akumelanga size sesaba ukuthi umamazala sekuyile somele sikhiphe bedroom.
Unothwala nzima.
Yebo.
So Garesi wena la namuhla la ngo 2026.
She wants to mourn in peace.
Uthi wena.
Thini?
Thini? She wants to what?
Morning peace. Azo prize.
Moon. Obese ngicabanga uye. Anyway, so wena a struggling guy for you Zimbabwean context. Ngumfana ohlala ngiyo.
Not necessarily. But sungabuhlala ngilo struggle.
Ubuhlala wethu struggle.
Yes, sungabuhlala ngilo struggle, sungabuhlala wethu struggle. Because sungabuhlala ngini because you're dependent on your parents. But at a certain age, why are you still dependent on your parents?
Yeah.
You get to a certain age, why can't you do stuff for yourself? Because now, okay, I'm sorry, but maybe feminists will come at me for this one. I'm patriarchal like that. I believe in the whole men being providers and us being submissive and whatnot. So I expect a certain level of what you can do. But before I expect you to do things for me, I expect you to do certain things for yourself.
Okay.
Right? So if you're at home at 32, at 35, loku sagcoba amafutha athiwa umasalo check.
Uyastruggle.
Uyastruggle. But nxa ngizithengela ke ngihlala ngikhaya.
Usathenga amafutha kuphela. What else are you doing at home? Okay, now let's try and differentiate the situations. You're at home.
Mina.
Why are you at home?
Mina ngizakhulumela mina labangani bami esi home guys.
Abathintekileyo. Abathintekile.
Anthintekanga. I'm not thintek. Yabo I'm home because like abadala bami sebekhulile yabo. Ezinye izinto abasakwanisi ukuthi bazenzele actually yabo.
Shout out to you.
Ukuba seduzani kwami lo masala wami futhi uke wagula futhi yabo. But ngizama ukutshengisa amanye ama circumstances
that's a different situation.
Lawan bahlale njani endlini. But ngiya understand futhi kuphathi ukuthi
who's doing what?
Exactly. Wenzani ngini?
Wenzani ngini?
Yabo.
If the reason for you being home is valid, like your parents need you to be close by. You are the provider at home. You are the breadwinner. It makes sense.
Ungananzelela manje provider futhi endlini. Kulula ukuthi ubuye.
Uthi provide like
lokuthi ubuye futhi endlini ungafihla.
Ngoba ngeke exactly.
Ongcine ukubalela kwabantu labadonsa. Ongcine abekwazi uyahamba lapho hamba khona yasebenza. When you are working, you are provider for my parents akho. Yonke into yabona endlini yenziwe.
But you've got 45-year-olds abavukele bar.
Abahlala endlini amankonso ngenzalo wona ngeke sikubalele abantu
bahlala 3 months engakaza athenga isithebo se$2.
Umelele umzathu ebuyele esinkwe
You exude responsibility.
Ubuya endlini uzobuza liphekeni kodwa okubuzayo akuthengwanga nguwe.
Exactly.
You're struggling my brother.
Yabudonsa nzima sibele. Umuntu into ebeyikwanisa ukuthenga utshwala kuphela. Anathi labangani engenzi lutho.
What if enathi
abazali?
labazali?
Uthola nomzali ebekwatshela khona la. Thola nomzali ekwatshela. Akwanisa uyenza lutho udonsa nzima. Isefo wacha ngayithe yomamakho.
I think my definition of struggle is a person who's already losing in their mind. right? Uyabona umuntu lana who expects you ngithi it's okay for you to want empathy, but ayikho ukuthi every time you want people to feel sorry for you.
Hlezi ukhala.
Hlezi ukhala. Namakhulu la ngilamali.
Over ambulance phela.
One plan. It's so ngithi it's so discouraging just watching a guy enjalo engani ulinde someone to save them. And unfortunately adulthood will show you that no one is coming to save you. You know.
Especially as a man.
Yeah.
Yeah, no one. Nobody.
So I think that's my definition of struggle. Uguti, in whatever circumstance you're in or situation, already you're losing in your mind.
It's chai.
It's chai.
Oi.
That was a mouthful.
I think umuntu ebefucatshangela ongakwanisa uzenzela anything. Funa ukuthi maybe awusebenzi. Utshona endlini njengokuthi kodwa ukhuluma ukuthi uhlala endlini. Awuyenzi lutho. At the same time ufucatshangela uthi mele ubone iplan ukuthi uhlala labazali, ubone iplan uthenga isinkwa. Ubone iplan uyenze lokho. Ngapho yabo ukhomba yende.
Selake lathandana labafana abanjalo.
Abanjani? Umuntu ostruggle uthi uyabe lokho ekhomba ehlala ngini.
Mina ngaze, but I've had friends.
I have
but
seen
the situation is different in the sense yoguthi the friend that I know of was dating someone that was working. But it now goes back to struggling mentally. Why? But this person is not struggling in the sense yoguthi he's waiting for someone to save them. He's struggling in the sense yoguthi you get money and the first thing that you want to do is not productive. The moment ubamba imali into eyicabangayo kuyathenga utshwala.
Asambe siyobuhlaba nje.
So uthenga utshwala uqeda kudakwa susiyalala phansi awulala mbhede endlini.
Awulala phendi.
But imali okade uyibambile because kuyachaya deposit yombheda ukuthi next month umbheda wakho uyabulawa. But that's not a priority to you. So also struggling mentally is another issue.
I think financial conversations are important to have. Like how you manage finances, because imali yaxabanisa. Imali ibuye khona apha siyayenzana, you know. Are we going to blow it? Yeah.
So
No, omunye umuntu masutshela indoda uthi isebenzisa imali yakhe njani. I think yabesefila ngani uyamcontrola. So ngitshela ukuthi
endele njalo.
Ngitshela ukuthi ngitshele njani lawo.
Wait, han.
Yekela ngithenga iPlayStation 5 at least.
Wait, akula mbheda, umbheda so escape.
Mara ngitshela ipriority.
Umbheda so escape. Wena uhambe ethenga iPlayStation.
Ipriority vele umfana mawuseqala ku one room. iPlayStation.
Uzadlala njani iPlayStation ulele phansi?
Mama ke ulelo buzi ke ulo mattress.
Mattress.
Indlu iphelele maye screen le PlayStation 5. It's a complete
So
home.
mina ufuna nilale ngani?
Ukhuluma bengaqedani.
The next man.
Esakhuluma. So mina ufuna ukukhuluma ngento eke ngayibona. There's this other girl one asakhula sonkani. Kholokho ukustruggle wabo guy. Unkazana lo uselabantwana abayi3
Same guy.
Same guy.
Yebo. Abantu abangaki?
3. Han.
Mputseni.
Same guy. And the guy, if I can say, those guys by a struggler. Ngoba ntshela ukuthi indoda uzayibona itsatsarika emgwaqweni almost every day. Then umfazi ngiyosezayibona iplan ukuthi uthengwe itamatisi ngokuthengisa impahla zeshini. Yabona. Yeke mhlalise phansi uthi alright so hambe waqanela.
But then again guys, we can't blame men for everything. When you ubona indoda struggle yezala abantwana abayi3 you expectani.
No, thina sasizoqala uthiwa ku right, wesi2 sazothiwa i-mistake, wesi3 sazothiwa i-mistake. So
umuntu obithayo ngofunayo.
Yabona into engikhona isuke ibefana because every time namava khamba ngikhaya ezothi awuzibani sesebelethile funa. So ngikhona ngisithi okunyani umuntu ofuna ukucatshangelwa.
Guys, itshatele $10 for 5 years.
No, lo muntu lento engikhona efucatshangela imali esinothlaka akakwanisa ukuyenzani. Umuntu lona ekwanisa ukuyenza ehamba ekanika yila khona phana. Thatha imali phela liyebona iplan endlini. But enza thatha imali umbone sedakiwe emgwaqweni. Ngikho ngithi amanye amadoda afuna ukucatshangelwa.
I just want to highlight this part, right? I hope I don't sound toxic ngokuthi umuntu who's struggling mentally, because we should be aware ukuthi June is Men's Mental Health Awareness Month, right? And we'll end up mental health and whereby kulabantu men who are really struggling and going through the most. I'm not talking about those guys abalama issues anjalo, but I hope kuzwakele how I was putting it ukuthi the struggling I was talking of versus the mental health issues that are there common among men. Those are very common, and shout out to you men. We see you and
mental health yani indoda.
Okunye lapha likhuluma ngodubo la. Liyabe lisithi struggling. La bayadubeka la.
But yeah, we have to acknowledge it. Yeah, I was just thinking about it. Even in my father and city, do you know what? See, our parents also have mental health issues, so we should be considerate of that. So yeah, I just had to put that out there. I guess we should be cognitive of such issues.
Oh, what a time gathenga impethu uyathenga impilo ngoba uyastruggling.
Maybe he's genuinely trying to drown his sorrows. I'm not condoning alcohol, substance abuse, right? But some people
when
find.
Does it become abuse?
Mawusu ngasathi ugqoka iphente elidabukileyo kodwa
le mali
unathi
black lab. Ayene.
INS.
INS is a stress.
Vela sazochaya kakhulu. Azochaya.
Priorities.
Ize ithi iHennes ehlala lombhidi esizwini.
Bayazi enye into omele isi-admit utshwala nje yazi itwala yazi kulula ukudawa yazi.
Ende kulula.
Mina ngaze mbona abantu abahlangana benathi Coca-Cola lemazowe bancutshana. Badrinka lenkulumo but yathola amajita.
Idrink yabantwana besikole.
Do you know what's in
Umuntu uthethela uthi mazowe. Wathi wathela half.
Yogurt yomntwana.
Yogurt yesikole.
Awukazuchayisana lokhu zendle efridge umuntu wakuncintsha.
Yabo?
Ngathi ngicela short. Athatha nje.
Athatha vele nje yazi ile
one week.
Ohlubule namathamla khona.
Mazowe yabile sibongo.
Which really inspires me ukuthi asisebenzeni guys ukuze singabi lokudla kulezibongo sihlale ezindlini where igizi ihlala ion ayicithwa so that you don't have to wake up ufaka amanzi ezini.
What if
ngiyathola into kudlena ngeke sikhompyutha
sihlale ezindlini ezilamagiza singavuke ekseni sibekela amadoda
amanzi. Wathola indoda ekhulumela ukudla ekhulumela yonke into endlini.
Mne kudlena singeke sikhompyuthe vena. Mina ngikhaya sivula amazowa 3 different flavors.
Cheers.
Avuliwe wonke kade.
Yes. Uyindoda
amadoda. Usho tu Ramaphosa.
Ramaphosa.
But yeah, indoda ekhulumela ukudla ngenjani ekhulumela ukudla nje.
Bakhona amadoda akhulumela ukudla.
For example,
ithukele litheni leseliphelile.
Seliphelile.
Elinye uthola ngenqola ngisangini.
Ithukele liphele kanjani?
Ithuke nje ngithenge ngoMay.
Yawazi mina akazi maybe enxeme mina ukuthi mina nje angikhulanga like yabona izinto ezinjengokudla kuyizinto ezi common yabo.
As common.
Osha like maybe enxeme yakwanza ukushaya idina kuphela yabo. So mina kokha kwamfaka into lana nje ukuthi mina andithanda ukubona abantu belambile nje. Like noma sihlezi so khona sesingani sesihleli isikhathi eside singadla. Not la. But yabo into lena so mina ngiyeke ngakhulumela ukudla because ngambona ukuthi ichukela umfazi wami uthanda itiye too much.
Angithenga 6 kg ngemonth.
Hlale lithengile but
nedo ngabona sokukhulunyela ichukela.
Kodwa mama la maybe lawo awukaholi khona la. Maybe imali yona le maybe umuntu owaslayo yahasla.
But ngabona sesikhulumela ukudla.
Lalela angafika.
So repair.
Susithi hayi mama ngicela phela sisebenzise kudla ichukela. This month angatholi imali. Yabona ngiyabona ukudla lapha sokuwesi vila kusense
Komba izinto ngizafana nomuntu ochiye ngaflashanga le indlela osukubeka ngayo majinse ngikukhuza ngechukela nje
uzusibadlela uyabusenjani uyabubeka
ungabona usukhuzela ichukela kushuthi imali yebhiya sokumele ithenge ichukela
thola i-cooking oil ngalast 1 week
ichukela ngamakhotha ayi2
alright i-cooking oil last 1 week umuntu wayamtshela eThekwini
cooking oil last 1 week
hayi into maybe amina ngihlala nge1
lebe liphekani.
I know a lady
ngishana
angimshame but ngathi inteka ngendaba yakhe yokuhoda izinto to the point yokuthi amafutha wayesithi hayi sicela ukuthi amafutha ngamnxa uqhathisa inkukhu lapha ucenge amafutha lawo nenkukhu aphuma
hayi
okunye itrauma yikho lapho uthe ithwani kuyinto ka uface ulani kanje ulane enyi uthe family what background
family background yeah
uthe bekhule kunjalo
yabo kuyilahla bona nje
yeah so yabe sesabuthuza phela
kukanti no mama akubukhululeka
Khululeka sathengeni.
sathengeni
Nalama
Sensitive
ngikhula
mentality is a real
ngasithola
thing.
sibili but lokho ukuthi njani njani babami wayezama makhuliswa ngubaba nguphela sasingamankazana ayi4 cousin bami nayi yimi yedwa umntana ke then the rest of my cousin bami but sasikhuliswa umuntu oyindoda ubaba wayesebenza ukuthi sihambe sonke nesikole yebo sasingadla ngede sidle kawana but uthi kube le usokhulunyela izinto waso
Thona lingafihli inyama phansi kwesitshwala.
Lokho sasukenza labo cousin bamani ukuthi ungathiwa kulomuntu othutsha amababa ngeke sasifihla imgana phansi kwesofa sigeze izandla sithola sihlezi uphela hayi labo cousin bami sasincishana thina
Khathesi ke.
Ukhuwe la obvious ukhaya into ezikuyisintwana awula muntu wenza njalo asikhuliswa kanjalo lokhana yithi ingqondo zethu nje zobuzampa ezobuntwana but hayi even la khaya so ubaba miyafika sibile mayevele Harare lani lokupheka uyapheka but ngeke umthothi sevula ikhathi hayi cooking oil lapha salaqeda njani hayi it doesn't do that
nyane
so ungathinki ukuzenzisa ngeke sithi upbringing hayi nanya
Unyesele ngasula abazali
sesiqabela abazali amaka
kodwa unu wakho.
ya lawo wena wedwa himself
na ngumself nje yawele inkinga zakho
but hayi uhle siyazixoxela lapha le ntombi ezilichumi
basikana barigumi
kumnandi lapha ekhaya angazi do you feel like sesikhulumile like ngezinto elizifunayo amadoda struggleayo sawe is like salokhuza futhi sakhuluma ngokuthi men's health mental kulabo emabaningi man yabo do you feel like amajita asededesa kakhulu
Yes, that was very quick because it's very normal. Why? Because I feel like we're in a situation whereby we live in a generation whereby you have men that are not present where they're supposed to be. So you have men that are raised by single mothers. And these single mothers have got their traumas from these failed relationships. So you have, and then you've got these single mothers that are also raising women, and they've got traumas from their failed relationships. So now you're in a situation whereby men are feminine and women are masculine. But it's still a patriarchal society. Let's not run away from
Asambe bafo.
Right? Aye, peluba fokomba.
We'll call you before us.
So we are in a situation, in a society whereby the roles have been reversed. We've got men that are crying to be respected because they are the men. And then we've got women that have been guarded because they were raised in a situation whereby they've been taught to protect themselves from men. But now, let's go back to the basics. Men are providers. Men are masculine. Women are submissive. Women are supposed to be feminine. But now, because we've got men that were raised in salons and whatnot, we've got men that were raised MCA bethengisa amatamatisi because ubaba gakho and umama has to make ends meet. So you are raised in such a manner to see your mother as everything that you have in your life. And because you've become a mama's boy, you've become more of a lady than you are a man. It's only a few times when you find a man that was raised by a single mother, ecabanga ukuthi, I don't want another woman to suffer lokho okwasuffer ngumasakhe. Instead, they become more feminine than they must be. And then you've got these women labo futhi abakhuliswe in the same situations, and now because they don't want to suffer lokho okwasuffer ngumasalo, they become more manly than they should be, right? So now you come into a relationship. I was raised by a single mother. I've become guarded. You were raised by a single mother. You've become feminine. So now the competition is, for me to let down my walls, you should become a man. But for you to become a man, you're also asking for me to be feminine. But I can't be feminine because it's not demanded. it's brought out of me.
Phuma ngushaye.
So now we're in a situation whereby you want to be respected, but respect is not asked for, it's earned. Right? But you don't know how to earn it because that's not what you were taught. And I don't know how to give my femininity because, again, that's not what I was taught. So now, indoda iyadedesa and then mina ngithi, mayofuna mina ngenzeni.
Natasha Tate.
So, yes, amadoda asetefa. Because also that's another thing. For me to respect you, I need you to provide. For me to let my guard down, I need you to be a man. But you can't be a man usukhulile because that's not what you were taught. So it's really a conundrum.
Quagmire.
Lingadluli kakhulu cha conundrum. That's the way.
I think it's quite difficult. I'm not directing at you, but I think I wouldn't want to stereotype and say I'm a daughter this because I wouldn't know of every man. So I think get to experience umuntu wakho ubone ukuthi unjani. Yeah, then that's how you can make a verdict. Ukuthi lo uyadedesa kumbe lo unjani.
Oh, this was a general statement.
Yeah.
Why? Because I still believe in love after all.
Yeah.
And I believe things work out because you learn a person and that person works for you. That person makes room for you to become yourself, like I said earlier on. And this is a general. This was a general perspective of what I see happening 100%. Outside.
Yeah.
But I still believe people are different.
Yeah.
We are different. So it's like most of my friends call me putas. Chile. Obafo. Konkanje. Hayi bambiza putas ngesize esicathu.
Size bani?
Hayi aqathe kanga.
Size my babo.
But I've been in relationships where I'm a lover girl and most people don't believe it.
I like that. I like how you phrased a lot of things, right? Would describe Anje society, and I think, have you seen how if you fall in love with a person who is so masculine that he brings out the femininity in you, and then you being feminine also brings out the masculinity in him.
Yeah.
So it's easy for you to submit because he becomes the leader that he's supposed to be. You know,
it does. I always say there's a statement that I like that femininity thrives in a place where masculinity is there to protect it. There is no way I'm being feminine with you if I don't think it's safe enough.
Your safety is important. Yeah.
So you as a man has to make that environment safe enough for me to let down my walls. That type of thing.
Yeah. Hey, but I have what's in SQN? Oh, Proverbs 4:23, I think. What's it? Above all else, guard your heart. And then, how do I let down my guard? Yet the word itself says, guard your heart. You know?
But then, like you said, the safety is important. Why? Because there's no need for me to have my guard way up there.
Yeah.
If I feel safe enough that I feel like you already guarded for me.
Ooh.
Yakwazi ukuthini?
I don't know ngapho.
I don't need a bodyguard. God guarding my body.
Why khona ubuya namhla ku podcast?
Kodwa mina ngicela nokubuza.
Like why?
Walulembono sibili yazi.
Obefuna kulo mine,
Actually, this gives you more reason to open
Wafuna
the
lo mine
podcast.
obethu.
But mina my chat.
Yes.
But now my chat is this. If you're saying for you to let down your guard and be feminine, I have to be masculine. Does it mean angikwazi ukuthi into le ngiyifake njani? Kusho ukuthi can I then make the same claim to say I can't be masculine because you won't let your guard down?
Why can't you? Because it's in your nature.
No, and then femininity is also in your nature.
Okay, fair.
Yeah.
But then it then goes back to the idea, why are we selling it to each other?
We shouldn't, but you can go to you. That's the point I'm making.
But as a man, why do you feel the need to be feminine?
No, it's not a need to be feminine.
Uh-huh.
When you might think I'm being yazi ukuthi umuntu yaba feminine engakwazi ukuthi I'm being feminine. As far as he's concerned, it's the best level of masculinity.
Because it's what you've been taught.
It's all I know. This is the
It's
best
all
I
you
have,
know.
and it's not my fault. It's not my fault. I'm not gonna just pick up this
Okay,
masculinity.
you are making a good point. So let me take you back to what we said when we're talking about what I think is important when what you're looking for in a partner. We mentioned something about compatibility. So the thing that happens about on compatibility is you don't have to act anything. Somehow it's like a flower. In its natural state it blooms. Right? So you get into a position whereby you're put in a situation whereby you no man, this is what I need to do.
Kanti manje liyabe lihlalelene entweni ezibona ukuthi ama-flowers lawa ayahluka.
Ayabuna. Yeah.
Usahlalelene.
Kunzima, kebe kuyikho okujayele.
Because
Do you know what's in? Mina, I think I saw this on someone's status.
Ayisawuhlala imali.
Ajabu how kanjani?
Kule status saying sithi people are addicted to familiar pain. I think business good keep.
Yes, it's a safer space.
It's a safer space.
So better the
want that
devil you
chaos.
know.
Ufuna ukuthi besitshone sijingelane endlini yikho kwaziyo.
No, better the devil
No,
you know.
pin the
than
statement
a new
sakho lesiyana.
space.
Tell people what?
Addicted to familiar
Familiar
pain.
spaces.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. Ukuthi, do you understand ukuthi there are girls that will leave you because you are boring. Whereas you're just not chaotic. It's not my thing. Ngoba mina
So umuntu engakutshela khona lokho.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what you do. But
so that's the point I was trying to drive towards to say. Entweni lezi dinganani kuhle ungathi ubona into le yayiphuma ubusuhlala and then cry foul and go yeah but you were not
Maybe abusithi umuntu
masculine.
uyatshintsha ngendlela.
Umuntu akatshintshi. Abantu abathi.
No, umuntu uyachange. But what I'd like us not to run away from is the fact that umuntu utshintshela umuntu amfunayo.
Yikho ngithe uyabe ungakwazi ukuthi uyakha.
So, like I said, that I still believe in love. I don't believe every man is the same. I don't believe every woman is the same. So you could know me as the girl that cheats in every relationship, but I'll meet that one guy that makes me not want to cheat.
yeah.
I'll meet that one guy that makes me that brings out the loyalty in me because I feel like I've found hope.
I'm pinned.
So
my
my question is in character. Then how do we define your character in that regard? If it's based on how a person treats you, I don't know if it makes sense because character is consistent, right? So a character yakho iyabinjani then in that regard nxa ukuthi uthola umuntu who's able to make you cheat and then you're able to become loyal if you do find someone who makes you owenelisa ukukwenza
Ukulunga kwakho zokuyi-Christmas.
Mina ngifuna ukuyizileni.
How do you make someone cheat?
Mana pendula focus.
How do you define your character in that regard?
Unfortunately, with matters of the heart, it's something that you can't run away from. You might think you're right when you're wrong. So it's a matter of hope. You just get into a situation, and if you think you're right, you're right there. Hope for the best. Because in the words of, I don't know who it was, but I think it's some anime item. It says the best case scenario in a love situation is that you both die on the same day at the same time. That's the best case scenario. Because even though you get in a situation whereby you're in a relationship and it's both working, it's going to end at some point.
Yep.
One way or the other.
Yeah, damn.
Whether they found someone, it's ending. Whether they die first, it's ending. Whether they cheated, it's still an end. So basically, you just have to hope for the best.
But do you know my biggest wish?
What?
To be with someone where we meet each other in heaven. Right? Sisindiswe sonke. I know it's really now but you're like, hey, sharp, you know, like we made it in heaven, yeah,
right.
Yeah.
Shout out to my nigga.
Ongithoka umhlaba uzaqinisela kodlule ehlangana phambili.
Khona le pheshe.
But I've got a question.
Hello.
I noticed that most of our points, they are also based on happiness yakho in a relationship. You find a good guy, sharp civil, young into right, but suddenly you don't feel happy. When you don't feel happy, do you leave the relationship? Is your relationship more important? Is your happiness more important in the relationship?
I've got a question for you. Gungacha, light endlini. Do you move out or do you change the bulb?
Bryce. That's so wise, hey?
But happiness
Uyangivumela?
constant.
Hey, nakhona
I-point
futhi
ekhayivuma.
sometimes
Because a mistake that most of us
Yeah,
make
Lucy.
is the fact that a lot of things can be fixed.
Yeah.
But a mistake that we make is that you have a small problem, or it could be a big problem.
because
and instead
ibhawubhu
of
lomunye songaba cheating.
Yikho lamadeva ucabangela phela ukuthi ibulb lona sutshintsha izindlela.
Here's the
Usadinga
context
umuntu
of
ozophaza
the context
phansi.
of the question.
Yeah, yeah.
Umjita usharp, yonke into ihamba right, but you get bored, awusekho happy.
Yeah.
Get bored how?
Uzadinga something phela ezawuchaza phandle.
Females naturally,
Yabona.
they are always looking to be happy and stimulated.
Nanka ama females la.
Right. I don't know.
No, yikho female.
I stand to be
Are you so
corrected
female?
but kuma vows kusho ukuthi abesingakwazi sikutsho. Bekungasithi for better for worse.
But what if asikafiki kuma-vows?
No.
Yethu la
Auntie,
isikho.
I think uBryce ukhuluma from
Marriage-wise or
I think-
relationship-wise?
I think
I
it's
know,
fucking-
just from the
or
relationship.
relationship. Mina bese ngikhulumela emchadweni ukuthi I feel like
But then again, right to khulumela emchadweni because the relationship yilokhu ze yi-audition
Siyakhona
yomshado.
yeah. Relationship actually, marriage amplifies that which you are in a relationship. So, nxa usithi ufika uotha lapha usithi for better for worse. If for worse yona le ukuthi happiness izaphela at some point, will you stay then? Kusho ukuthi you didn't mean it. For richer for poor. Upoor angabuya imali ngasekho laphana ma'am.
But then again, you know what?
mean it?
This is another thing esingayinanzeleli. You know those boredom phases come and go.
Yes.
Yep. I
They
saw
do.
ke sihlele sichazeke nje.
Exactly.
Yabona into lana ekhulumile ukuthi umuntu kumele akuchaze like. I have to like you.
Yes,
Before-
you have to
before-
like me first.
Yeah, before anything else.
Yeah.
Because I saw ke sihlele si no baby, I love you forever.
Ukuthi-
Sometimes I just want to watch football and sleep.
If I were a
Sometimes
worm,
ufuna ukukhuluma la.
I'm from Kumalawa like
if I were a worm, would you still love me?
Hayi laba bafana bayasipota time.
siyabhowana vele.
Una vele ngokuthi vele masijula vele ngifuna ubungitexta every minute vele
Hayi,
ungifuna.
hayi,
Jola le struggling boyfriend.
Njola lani?
Jola le struggling boyfriend.
Do you know why I'm asking you guys?
Minutes.
I'm asking because
Khuluma lapha.
most,
Podcast
not
nayisaba.
all, most ladies that are in the relationship or dating phase, and you find them a city, good guys are boring, bad guys are fun. So you could wanna, most cases they end up resorting to dating those guys that are not good for them because
But bad guys ain't no good.
But nakhona
But I've
guys,
seen
enye into
longer
mele
than that.
mele zinanzelele mostly contextual le. The most girls kuseki yakho. Makhono cheri ndo tabanga.
And futhi it's vice versa. As Christian girl is twice a poor. That's a fact, you know?
Vele lo mngane othanda ama-bad boys kodwa la bemgile wachiya i-boyfriend yakhe sharp sharp wahamba wazidingela i-ex yakhe kwasivele ngu-bad boy lo wamnyisa waqeda la wamyenza waba yi-side chick waqeda waqina khona la ngathi mkhuzela wabehamba komunye la lapho yabembuya zombuza ethi so guy lona sense umazi yena unjani hayi mthatha hami ngalaphana
I know
njani
ama-issues.
awukezani
Alo
follow
toxic
into
lo.
uzabe utshela zini usengenze so usekhala but bra ngukhuzile
No, but you know what they say about toxic relationships?
Nandi.
No. Esithini emnandi. Esithini
Mnandi.
emnandi.
yini
Ngama-skills.
Oh, so you guys, so lizachiya uguy oshap
Yikuthi
because of my skills. No,
Hayi mnandi.
sendijaja so uzachiya umuntu osharp just because of my skills.
I-toxic relationship.
You know
Yathi
what?
umuntu wakho mfana ubuyele mfana.
No.
Yawazi ukuthi awuchazwa yini?
My skills.
Yazi
Kule
siqale sithethisane
adrenaline.
futhi khona. Siqale
Kule
sithethisane.
adrenaline ya
Hey,
yokuthi ngikuzondele.
Uniyangijayela
Kodwa
hey.
Dunusi.
Wanchita. Hey. Yala.
Uyabona ukuthi indaba le yokuthi uchiye umuntu osharp usiya for the fun of it. Ifana le ndaba yomunye owa give away birthright for umsopo. ngenxa yendlala. You give away your birthright for a bowl of soup. So I think about that before umshopho wendumba futhi. Yes.
Ukuthi umsobho wendumba ngokuthola lambile.
Yazi macaroni lini.
Yeah. So
umsobho ngakuthola lambile.
But indlala iyaphela. Yabo? Indlala iyaphela, that's it.
Yeah, ingqondo sezibuyile. Hey, simbona ukuthi uhlafuna kabi.
Sase because of ukukhuluma ngokrikri. Sasisidla uzokuzwala.
Asisidla wona, asisivala. Kukhona eno ochisekayo because enye into mela abantu babeyazi lapho ma before sivala la. Bekungala prep la.
Sikhuluma nje.
Into zonke esizixoxilela ingxoxo 99 yangikhona lapha. Sizixoxela yonke into adephuma and with the hopes ukuthi ekuxoxeni kwethu emsanganeni wethu ade sekukhuluma kukhona okukodwa lawe ubona
Okudobhile.
Ngiyabona.
Uma uhambe ozahamba endlini kulokho kusithi.
Yeah.
Right. To the card.
Mina benilombuzo to Osis. Really. Uthi ngoba lingabantu sesikhulumile konke saqeda lingabantu. Is there anything that you guys would like to call out about your species to your species? To say mankazana lapha paria lapha siyabhayisa or to say into le is not the one.
Ukuthi
khulumela
ngicela ngani uyaphinda angizwa vele ngizukukha
Is there anything that you'd like to call out to your fellow ladies? Into esiyenzayo thina nje abafazi elibona ngani hayi.
ngidoti.
Qiniso liyalazi. Liyazazi.
I think indaba yomlokukhuluma. I feel like sometimes women have the skill to multiply things. And you give her a word, she'll give you a sentence. You give her groceries, she'll give you a meal. It's natural. Unfortunately, it can work vice versa in a negative way. And it's usually ekukhulumeni. I've seen how sometimes omama bayakhuluma to the point where it crushes ego yomuntu wesilisa. So I think I would advise women to guard what they say. Yes, we are very emotional, but we are also logical too, if we decide to be. So I think we need to nurture wisdom, when to speak, how to speak, and how to say it. Basically like that. I think okuningi kungalungiseka.
Yeah. Sure.
Shout out.
Sawubona.
It's slightly related to what you say about speaking, but Mina, I'd like to phrase it in a different way because yours talks about what you say to the next person. It's slightly similar, but mine is on oversharing. We've got a tendency of telling everyone when things are good in a relationship. And unfortunately, as women, we are jealous beings.
Yeah.
And as jealous beings, Gunjalo, you see how most relationships that you have are shattered by people that are close to you. So you've got a person that you think is close to you and you're telling them, Zani. And now, because umuntu sumchelile, like self experience skill.
That's it.
So there are certain things that you should say and certain things that you should keep to yourself.
Yeah.
Especially when you are building something. And I'm not saying this goes for every woman that you tell, it goes for every friend. But not everyone that you think is your friend has got your best interest at heart.
Yeah, 100%.
So
you need to assess if your circle is a circle or it's a cage.
Yeah, true. Very true.
Mongi?
Akho mina khona sacabanga.
Awufuni ukukhuza yena obhurro wakho.
Hayi mina kudala abantsha izithende vena nankonzo lokhuluma.
So alanto ongafuni ukuyikhuza abanye osisi. Obona ngathi bayiphambanisa.
When it comes to my relationship, osisi then lento lelithanda ukuthi suyaze boyfriend yami suyenza umngane wakho. My boyfriend is not your friend. amankazana siyajelaselana silenkulumo ezimbi khulumile amankazana sikwazi ukukhuluma eqinisweni and inkulumo zethu ziyaxabanisa ziyadestroya izinto eziningi and mina ngikhuluma anza ngibe laba abangani abashapani amngani wami mshapa labangani abangenzela izinto ezimbi kakhulu kuma relationship ami miyo hamba ukukhuluma watshela iboyfriend ngiyachita lani stuff like that ngangacheat I'm not cheat but ngiyacheat iface yami icho njalo but I don't but abanganini kumele sifunde ukuhloniphana amankazana sihloniphani inkulumo zethu azikho sharp so yeah into zona lezo ziyaxabanisa.
Sorry, another thing that I feel like as women we struggle with is overthinking. I know it too well. Overthinking and to the point where you assume things about umuntu wakho, right? Unfortunately, sometimes it's not the case. Ucabangeli World Cup, maybe, you know, or ucabanga something else, but then you think of the worst case scenario. So I think overthinking may lead to assumptions. So this goes to both parties. Don't assume things. Just ask.
Buza. You must
ask. You must ask. Yes.
No, but you know what they say about assumptions. It makes an ass of you and me.
Yeah.
But mostly me as the person who's assuming. Yeah.
Ask.
As the person who's making the assumption.
Another thing about happiness that I wanted to say, sorry guys, was it's important to have check-ins on a regular. Of late, did I hurt you? How do you feel loved by me? Those kind of conversations really iron out issues. That way, it will help with build up resentment quietly. So yeah, that's just my
I've got one other thing. I feel like as women, we've got a tendency of wanting to base what happiness means based on what society expects. We are so afraid of being judged that we let our happiness go instead of just focusing on what makes me and my relationship what makes me and what ticks for me and my person. It won't necessarily make sense to the next person, but if it works for you, my profile picture, find what you love and let it kill you. Let go of the outside noise. It does not matter.
Umuntu uyabelieve in love. Lo won't uvule njani izandla?
Awuthola ngama-flowers ale
exactly. Yikho siyalalela abantu like outside. Siyalalela abantu outside uthi alright mina ngitholeni. Kholo kade ukhuluma ukuthi umgcino ungenzelani lalana. Sendalela umuntu waphandle. Yazi iboyfriend ami ngenzele so mina kangenzeli.
But yes, sihamba
ukuthi wa ungangenzeli khona lokho.
Uyazi yakho boyfriend
and that's wrong. Siyalalela abangane kakhulu.
Alifuna usisimgcini la yathi fahla.
Uthi fahla.
Awona mina into engayenza nje. Ngole danger enkulu ekukhompeni impilo. Lokho ku-apply emajideni, ku-apply kubosisi. I-social media, biggest problem, abadala babe right, is the phone.
Ifone.
Yagula, ifone.
Amafoni.
Abazali, nonke into ifone.
Ubona khona ukuthi uSinqomi bamenzele something ngomjida wakhe. Awusa ichicken ina desidla size sifaka nama chips elokuze nini.
Sofuni.
Awusafuni wena broiler wena. Awusafuni broiler lesimbisa sofunele cotton kodwa ngama broiler wonke.
Ngoba le cotton ni 15
ngoba libuya yabona le view futhi esharp futhi yabo.
Sofunile medium rare.
Ukucompare bosisi lawani bobuti sikuchiyena. Lento yokuthi kumele angazi mawungakwanza ukunanzelela abangani abangakuthandiyo ubuza abazali bayakwazi abadala bayakutshela umngani wakho lo
amngani wakho lo ayisuye
yabo because I feel like ama biggest enemies wethu singabantu sometimes ngabangani umuntu abe kushaya from within so ekupheka so like ngiyakubona
lapha mvuma kakhulu
enemies close.
Exactly.
So they get all the information.
Because ngiyakwazi ukuthi
Ngicobuza mcini, sorry ukhathi. Alright, sithi uyazana lo mngane. We girlfriend yakho. Engabe ezokutshela something ethi uncomi yenze so uyambeliever ungakabuzi yena or what?
Umngane we-girlfriend yami ngimbuza.
Why?
No, yangisinthi.
No, mina umngane we-girlfriend yakho. Yimi ngilandile.
Ngobuya yani?
Umngane we-girlfriend. Wena ungumngane we-girlfriend yami.
Mina yimi ngilandile ngazo
siyaxoxa nje yenze.
Incentive yakho kuyi be-girlfriend yami.
Hayi lapho nginje.
Oh, hypothetical. Okay.
Then someboy amgcina wazi uncomi yenze so ubeliever yena uzaqala uyabuza ovele into ayikhulumela sozithathe vele
uyifa ikhona siyasebenza
uthi bhali bizo
ngithanda
nginjalo
record umongi uthe wena ungifebela lo John bese sibona ke khona phana ukuthi sisusa ngapi khona pha masiza khuluma lawe siyi2 lo baby yikho but angifihli bro the fact that umuntu ulesibindi sokuthi abezontshela into enjalo ngawo and trust me mina I've been in situations lapha ngase ngisukile actually we engikwazi ukuthi umngani waba le influence ekuthini isituation yangikhona igcine ingasahamba ngasharp but the fact that ngabonga ukuthi decide ukuthi abantu laba bale 20 years beyazana I'm just a boyfriend who just came in sathandana maybe just for a year mana ngivele ngizihambele mbachi but ku situation ukuthi siloke sisonke hanya kutshela nje akutsele ukuthi umngane wakho lapha nobuyile lapha but
and besides
I think lokuzini
bra
yebo phela ngotsho uthi lapho sebe unyathela isithend iera ngumngane ona sabusuza umxabanisa yebo phela khona
uthi umngane yabefuna umuntu wami
lapho densiya khona ukuthi abangani nanzelela nini abangani abalinika ama advice futhi yabona izinto ezinjengama relationship utshe ukawunje ngeolive lokwa exam yabusuyi1 singabala sonke sinika nama opinions nani but i-exam ngiyakho and unfortunately leyo umjolo vela amaphepha afani
ngafani
okusebenzele wena awungeke usebenzele
mina
yabo so ungabi weak facing ama problems akho wedwa ungadinga abangani ukuthi babe bazoku ngoba abangani
uzoyisola
there's a point in time unicall kade ufuna ukukhuluma something
there's a song
There's a song by this guy called Sweezy Anderson. He's local. It says, "Love is for 2, 3 is a crowd." Yabo.
What about Tenjin?
Guys, there's a term siyasebenza. Sorry.
Siyasebenza lonke lingawa right.
Siyasebenza.
It's my way or the highway.
Yeah, uvela uthi hayi baby noma ungandlisa sekuyafana.
Hambi yolanda umuthi.
Letha yimi ntathu.
No, but thank you for that.
Kungasenani price yabo ngi shawama leyo sosiphekisile
intibane.
It was really beautiful having everyone here. Like most of the time, very like I said, we are always guys here in this last opinions from guys and kumnandi ukuzama opinions on some things. But not like it's based on our relationships, but we would really love to have you guys again for a different topic or a different time.
When I go to all this time, you knew we have this jam here. Wasifihlele. Yayikhwelisa ukukhuluma lawe wethu thina singakhulumi lawe.
Kuba for jam. But anyway, to close, sibele session there, guys, with you. Like personally, from hearing abanye abantu bekhuluma lapha, is there anything that you learned? Did you learn anything or did you discover something or is there ama last words akho?
Uthinge Vaseline.
Hayi. Ngoba cabanga
mina sizayifaka ku reel le.
Sorry.
Sayifaka ku reel.
For real?
For real? For real?
For real.
I appreciate the opportunity to be here. thank you so much ukuthi lisinxuse, you know. It's always interesting ukufunda how other people think, how other women think. Personally mina mama ngiyabesaba because siloku uzondana kungela need. That thing. Uthi ufika ubone sebekushaya. You know, I was having an engagement earlier on. Emini ngihlangane lo munye usisi like engimaziyo emsebenzini.
Usu engaged?
No. A conversation and so I can probably say hi. She's like, do you know what you always greet me and you're one of the few ladies abakhulumisa because women bazimbulu. I was like, oh, shout out, you know, and that's the thing. It's a bad stereotype. Ukuthi saziwe njalo. So it's nice to meet you ladies, ukuzwa how you think and to actually see ukuthi kulabantu sibili abacabangayo. So engufundile ukuthi
umbalile la.
Yeah. Not to say Gumbe, I'm throwing shade, but in general. So what my takeaway is, don't book a judge by its cover. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amen.
Don't what?
Don't book
a judge by its cover. No, that was very intentional. Don't judge a book by its cover generally.
No,
Don't book a judge
by its cover.
Don't judge a cover
by its book. Listen.
So, listen, I mean, get to know how people think. Ulalele, be a good listener. You can learn a thing or two. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Mongi, did you learn anything and your parting words?
Guys, namhlanje ngifunde kakhulu. Yo, namhlanje bengostile actually. Like guys ngiyabonga ngento elizikhulumileyo. Mina I think lokho ukuthi ngiyabe ngikhuluma ngisethe izinto ngesaba lana but ngithanda ilalela lena lekhuluma. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ezinto edela izikhuluma bese ngiphi isibindi bese ngikholisa actually. So iphinde shwa libuye.
So ufunda ukuba lesibindi.
Ngifunda ukuba lesibindi. Abone lezi zinto mele
Chibindi.
Zwini. Uyana zwini.
But kulento abazikhulumile eziningi actually engizifundileyo yani. Yabo. So ngifuna uqala ngihlale phansi ngizirevise nge1.
No, akwansi kuyabukela episode comment.
Yabona.
Mina ndakadzidza kuthi.
Ngithi abathi mina ngiyabonga. Yazi mawukhuluma so kwakhe sibe ukhuluma seliqalisa. Kwakhe futhi kwakhe sibe sikhuluma singamankazana. Ezinye izinto zi right thibe ngizizwa ngitshona la lava awulala uthi abalikhulumayo. So ngikhuluma.
Kanti uthi ndukani?
Am I not a woman?
Am I a joke to you?
Say woman. Hayi ngiyadlala.
Ngiyazidlalela guys but kwakhana Owen Thabisile ukuthi ngitholile ukufunda from Lina ama girls unlike laba ngeke benjela into eyiyo because bahlala bengenela mina. Yabona. So ngakhuluma mongi.
Lokho ngoba nguwe mongi empilweni yakho.
Andreas, babembambe ngapha la ngapha but ngithanda ilalela lekhuluma amfuqambela manga mfunde okuningi and I'm so grateful about that. So
angifuni ukuqamba manga sure ngifunde kakhulu bazalwane.
Abazalwane namhlanje ngifundile limbona lapho mphume ngiqeqeshile ngiyabonga kakhulu. Iyothi mayibonana tomorrow.
Siyabonga mqeqeshi.
Okay, mina into engathi ngifundile ukuthi don't dwell in your own thoughts. You've got people that have got different experiences from your own. You've got people that have got different perspectives from your own, or how they see life is different from how you see life. So conversations like this are important because kulento yabuzitshela ukuthi khona uyayazi wena but unyezwa omunye umuntu ekhuluma nge like shit.
Yeah, usenzakala I was like
yes I thought but uvela uthotelani yabo that type of thing.
You be
yes.
You be thinking that life is black and white, but it's a whole spectrum.
No, it's black and green.
It's a whole spectrum, rainbow.
Yeah. So yeah.
Yes.
This was eye-opening.
Yeah.
So siyabonga. It was necessary to a certain degree. So thank you for having us.
We also have Uniki, huh?
Mina ndimusiso ngapha kati.
Hayi wena stand up la wena ufundi wena every day. Yeah, Nikki.
Mina kulanto engayikhuluma eningi but like okuningi in fact on, alright. Akulanto engayikhuluma like okuningi. But ngifundile.
Awufundile.
Kuqhathekile.
Ngokanti ufundile.
Keyword ngifundile. Khuluma ke sisimcini. Khuluma.
Mina ngikhulume.
Yathi uthi ufuna ukukhuluma.
Handa kafunda shem.
Yes.
Kafunda kutofunda kuti hey. Ano, nxa uthanda guys like.
Yeah. Mvumelana sisumgcini.
Okay, please uthi.
Umuntu wakho umthanda.
A relationship is like a roller coaster.
Because
izaya phezulu ikholise even izakuma but yabukholisile.
Yes, it's better to have loved and lost than to not have loved at all.
Amen. Amen.
Shout out isilungu sanamhla.
Shout out to my nigga Tesh.
Mina ngifunda isikhiwa.
Ufunda isikhiwa? Ngubone la ukuthi bonguthi
Khuluma bakhona ndram la.
Ayilongele sakhuluma. Kuthiwa yimi ngikhuluma but sibekhuluma.
Sorry.
But bemfundi no why. Thanda. Oh. Thanda. Ngabe le ndaba ukuthi kuzaphela vele. So mawukwanisa uthola ichance yokuthi uthande thanda. Ngabe le nhloni wena. Bangazi batudlisiwe. Thanda.
Anything I have done is not done at all. So
okay.
Understand.
Yeah. So I think that just
I just had to.
So
But otherwise yeah.
Right.
Sifuna ukukhombisa. Cha mbuzi ukuthi ama Instagram handles yenu. Kumbe siqale nginamba ze WhatsApp.
Yes, sasifake ngaphansi lapha.
Ambivalence ke nje nothi 091 011 023 9210.
Like
njengabantu ukwazi ambivalence.
Njengabantu abenza izinto ezihlukeneyo, abanye benza into ze-art, abanye benza into ze-OnlyFans. Like bakuthola ngaphi socials. Yeah, into ezinjalo nje kuphela.
Who's starting?
Yeah, ngakhulu.
Well, ufuna lami?
Yeah.
Dala lingiqalisisa kuyini?
Hlaqalile.
It's fine. Mina linganthola on my TikTok is not really active. So let's use Instagram. It's church_girl_with_tattoos.
Church girl with tattoos.
Church girl with tattoos underscores in between.
Yes, church girl with tattoos underscores in between. The name is Tash.
Okay.
Yeah.
Church girl with tattoos.
Nimthole khapha.
Yeah.
Lafuna le number zakhe.
Hayi, liyazisa ngalo. Ifuna umthumela imali unless mali ifuna
Ifuna umthumela imali.
Just
a manager since we artist.
The manager.
Ayingathathe zami.
Abala kesinedle one.
DM for bookings.
Yes, DM for bookings.
Uthi libukhani lizabakwazi phambili.
DM for bookings.
Okay, Sincome Inkosi Nselekandaba on Facebook @Sincomenhle SINCOMENHLE on Instagram, and then on LinkedIn for those abathanda into as a professional Sincome Inkosi Khumalo. TikTok Sincome Inkosi Khumalo.
Facebook.
Yeah. Facebook.
Nselekandaba. Mange thikalanga. Qabaqabele emathonsi abanzi.
Yes.
Oh. Khuphuka.
Mina.
Yeah.
Laba hlaba ngisendela imali.
Wena utholakala la.
Utholakala la.
Nothing beats subscribing to the VYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker